Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something interesting I was not expecting is that Patch Tuesday also got synchronized with Windows 11 24H2. And I guess this is maybe to expect in a way, because the release of Windows 11 with, for PCs with Copilot+PC, basically we're getting kind of close in the code. And so these updates will technically arrive together, and 24H2 is technically released, but not technically released, which is, of course, how Microsoft Bizarre is. This, of course, on the Windows Insider here, but we got today, Patch Tuesday, fixes that do fix all the security flaws, including the security flaw, which is a critical 0-day. And my Windows update, if I check my update history, I got the cumulative update KB504-0435 and also the .NET Framework update. So this has arrived with today's Patch Tuesday on version 24H2 in Windows 11. So if you're on 24H2, if you have moved down there, you have the security patches, and I guess this is going to be the new way moving on to what is the future of Windows 11 24H2. There's a change that happens to Copilot apparently that makes it more standalone. And finally, the version 24H2 will end up with 26.100.1150. 26.100.1150 is the latest version for 24H2 right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.